Welcome back. We're having this question that is trending everywhere. In a room of 100 people, 99% are left-handed. How many left-handed people have to leave the room to bring that percentage down to 98? A lot of people answer directly in the comment that one person have to leave the room so that we should have 98%. But that is actually wrong, because solving that will not give this. Okay, let's do it together and solve it and prove that if you remove one person, you are not going to have 98%. Okay, total number of people, you have what? 98, 100 people. Okay, then left-handed, you have what? 99. Okay, now let's talk about the percentage. Okay, percentage. Okay, 99. Okay, that will be 99 divided by 100 times 100. Automatically you have 99%. But what in the case if you remove 1% from here? Okay, you're going to have 98. Okay, but if you are removing 1% from the room, from the left-handed, you need to remove also 1% in the room. That will be totally 99 people inside the room, because now you'll be doing with 99, because you're going to remove one left-handed. You have 98 left-handed, and the total number of people in the room will be 99, no more 100. Hence you have 98 divided by 99 times 100. That will give you what? That will give 99 divided by this. Okay, like this. That will give 0.9898 and so on. Or if you're in percentage, that will give 98.98%. That is not equivalent. That is not equivalent to 98%. Okay, you see. Hence, actually, how many are we going to remove in order to have 98%? From calculation, doing it, I'm going to see that we are going to remove 50 people to have what? 98% at the end. Okay, let's prove this by calculation. Let's move on. We have 100 people. If you have to remove 1% from here, you are going to have what? Okay, let's do it again. You have 100 people in the room. If you want to remove 1% in there, you are going to remove minus x. Okay, and also from the left-handed, that will be 99 minus x. What's our actual goal? The goal is to have what? 98% or 0.98. Okay, hence how can we find the percentage from here? Or how can we have 0.98? That is this one, 99 minus x divided by what? 100 minus x is equals to what? 0.98. Okay, since we're already dividing like this, like dividing 99 by 100, okay, that will give, like if you have 99 divided by 100, that will be equal to what? 98. Okay, that is somehow what we are doing. That will be 0.99. Okay, here you are not multiplying here by 100 before, or 100 minus x, because we want to find the number. Okay, hence at this point you can multiply everywhere by this 100 to have 99 minus x equals to what? 100 minus x into what? 0.98. Okay, opening this bracket, we are going to have what? 99 minus x. Okay, is equals to what? 0.98 times this, that will be 98, and we have what? Minus 0.98x. Okay, how can you remove the x from this side? By adding x here. We add an x here. Okay, hence we are going to have what? And we can send this man here to have what? 99 minus, or we can remove 98 and remove 98. Hence we are going to have 1 here is equals to what? This one will cancel. We are going to have 0.98 plus 1. Negative this plus 1, that is like 1 minus that. That will be equals to 0.02. Okay, that will be 0.02x. And how can we find x here? X is equals to what? 1 divided by 0.02. And portion your calculator, you are going to have what? 50 at the end. Okay, that will be 50. That will be a total number of people. Hence, if you have x will be equal to 50, that will be 50. Okay, hence to have 98%, at the end, we have to have in total 50 people in the room, and we are going to remove. We have to remove 50 people actually. Okay, like removing 50 people, that will be 1 minus 50 to have 50 here, and 99 minus 50 to have what? 49, and 49.
Okay, you're having 49, and 49 divided by this 50 is equals to what? 0.98. In percentage, that will be equals to what? 98%. And we come to the end of this. Hence, if you remove 50 people from this 100, you're going to have the answer. Okay, the answer to the equation will be 50 then. Thank you.